What's up, my people? How y'all doing? I want to talk to you all today about using AI. Okay, using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, all these other tools that you can use to communicate with artificial intelligence. What AI does is remove the complexity. It helps you to navigate through different situations. I just finished working on a project to automate emails for my website, chattyjackie.com, using MailerLite. Okay, and there's a lot of parameters and things that you need to set up on the back end. And if you're not tech savvy enough, it can become very, very complicated. And what a lot of people might do is they might quit, they might give up. If they can't afford it, they may hire a tech person to set it up for them. And so for me, setting up this email automated system, it took a lot of steps. I had multiple questions and multiple adjustments, but AI helped me figure it out one step at a time. And it's encouraging. I said, don't worry, Jack, we're gonna do this, try this. All right, change this sentence to make it even more appealing to your audience. So you don't need to know everything. You just need to ask better questions. Okay, so instead of me saying in my AI guidebook that you can download for free on my website, chattyjackie.com, it helps you to think, all right, because AI is not human. You have to prompt it. You have to give it questions in order to get the answers that you need, okay? So AI is not always simple, and that's okay. It doesn't do everything for you. It helps you to figure things out step by step. The most important thing is you have to know how to ask the right questions and not give up. You shouldn't give up when the answers that you're getting and you're trying to figure something out and you get a little frustrated. All you got to do is just stick with it, okay? So again, this is Jackie R, Chatty Jackie, all right? And I have a free AI for beginners guide on my website at chattyjackie.com. All you gotta do is go out there and click the link, put your email address in, and you'll get your free guide, all right? Hit the subscribe button and like this video. See you next time. Peace out.